Okay, since my problem is just trying to figure out how to get this button to stay in there, just so that the flap is over the dimple switch, I'm just going to use some tape, some packing tape. Use some packing tape, and it's a little wide enough for that. Stick it on there, trim off the excess. Because the dimple switch applies a negative force when you press down. And just stick it in there, press the tape down, so it holds it in position. Just check, see if it works. You don't want the tape to actually stick the button down. So maybe just fold that over. Doesn't matter if there's excess in there. Just as long as the button is in the right position and in the right orientation, so that the flap is going to be over that dimple switch, it should provide a negative spring back force for the button. Then we're going to have to screw this circuit board back on, and because of the short ribbon cable here, you might actually want to take the cover off and then screw the circuit board on. We'll try that.